The door shuts with a thunk so solid it sounds like a bank vault sealing shut. Warm copper light spills across the dash, and a citrus scent drifts through the cabin like the car just ordered room service. My hand rests on cool anodized metal, and everything about this cabin feels like it's trying to convince me I paid more than I actually did. Stick around, because by the end of this you're going to want to know exactly how much this thing costs. Right now, in a market where every 3-row and 2-row luxury SUV is fighting for the same buyer, the Nautilus needed a refresh that actually mattered, and Lincoln nailed it. Up close, the new grille dominates the front end with an enlarged Lincoln star and a radiant copper accent that only comes on the black label. Lincoln ditched the light bar that used to slash across the nose, and honestly, the front end looks 10 times cleaner without it. Walk around back, and the Lincoln script now sits exposed instead of hidden behind that old plexiglass panel, flanked by dual-line taillights that look like they wandered over from a Genesis showroom. Those 22-inch radiant copper wheels catch the light like jewelry, riding on meaty 255-section tires that fill out the wheel arches perfectly. And here's the number that'll stop you mid-scroll. That center display stretches 48 inches from pillar to pillar, and it doesn't block your view of the road once. Put it next to a Cadillac XT5, and the Nautilus just feels like it's playing a different game entirely. Slide behind that squared-off steering wheel, and the 22-inch wheels track dead straight down the interstate without a hint of wander. Push the hybrid powertrain hard, and all 310 horsepower show up instantly. No lag, no drama, just a smooth surge that pins you back into those 24-way seats. Take it up the Pacific Coast Highway on a Sunday morning, and this thing feels like it was built specifically for that drive, soaking up every crack in the pavement while the massage function works your lower back the entire way. Cruise it through downtown at midnight, and the ride turns buttery soft, soaking up potholes lesser SUVs never quite mask. Behind the wheel, that 48-inch display glows right at eye level, feeding you speed and range without ever blocking the road ahead. Here's what nobody tells you about this powertrain. That 310 horsepower figure is identical to the outgoing model, so don't expect the refresh to hit any harder off the line. This is a styling and tech update wearing a bigger numbers clothes. Get on the brakes hard coming down a canyon grade, and this SUV hauls itself down from speed with a confidence heavier 3-row rivals just can't match. Through a tight corner, the independent suspension keeps body roll shockingly in check for a vehicle riding on an all-independent setup with 0 adaptive dampers. There's no exhaust note to speak of back here, no visible tips at all, just a hushed hybrid hum that says luxury over drama every time. Buy the Nautilus if you want a genuinely quiet, family-first hauler with more rear legroom than a Lexus RX and interior materials that punch well above its price bracket. Walk away if you need adaptive dampers or air suspension for that final cushy layer of ride quality, because Lincoln still doesn't offer either one. Stack the black label's confirmed starting price of just under $78,000 against a comparably equipped Lexus RX, and the Lincoln still throws in more standard luxury for similar money. I'll go on record right now and say this refresh cements the Nautilus as the vehicle that finally proved Lincoln belongs in the same conversation as the established luxury players. That citrus scent from the second I climbed in, it's still there when I climb back out. And that's the whole story of this car in one breath. The 2027 Nautilus doesn't reinvent itself, it just cleans up everything that was already good. So tell me down in the comments, does this refresh finally put the Nautilus ahead of the Lexus RX? Or is Lincoln still playing catch-up? If you want more first looks like this one before anybody else covers them, go ahead and hit subscribe.